Tasha, I wish God shared his golden calculator more often. The only way absolute zero means more than absolutely zero. To study the material, more complex than the algebra tests you are, I am here to help solve the problems. Let's start with subtraction. Back when your brother took away his own life, late one night he subtracted. Just when you made him an addition into your life, you called me. 278 miles away and 7 minutes after confession, you assumed suicide was an option because you grew tired of living, but I'm better at division. Most folk don't know the half of it. How drug addicts used to divide the thighs of a 5-year-old girl, treated like scrap paper, balled up and thrown away all the same, all the while being erased by the rapist you knew on a first-name basis, existing on a base 10 number scale. Tell me you know addition. 3 letters plus 1 word equals love, or the lack thereof, because the last time you fell in love, you didn't get up from the ground. I'm sure you'd be less fragile if I came around every once in a while. I'm sorry. If I ever multiplied multiple lies to you, I apologize for all the times my shoulder was 278 excuses away from you. So, if E equals MC squared, there has to be more to this theory of relativity, because we literally couldn't be any closer if we shared the same blood. But if it does, I would unravel the very fiber of my being, string by string, if only to see the tie that binds us together, to better see the various variables, how you have many exes and I'll never know why you only date the guys that make you cry. Tasha, I have drowned in enough of your tears to swim up to heaven asking him, God, could you spare to share your golden calculator? I've written prayers in the palm of my hands. I have a fistful of answers, but there is no chapter on heartbreak in the book of birds and bees. Only wasted dreams in the wastebasket, like you and me. 2 improper fractions dancing to the rhythm of the algorithm. Tasha, I know it's heavy to carry the one. We're out of school, but we still got chemistry and plenty of history. But you hate biology, like the night. 2 hours after the funeral, 5 pep talks and 1 swallow of courage in a bottle later, we met your biological mom. She taught your brother subtraction back when the state took you away. And I know you've been dying to live ever since the split, to make sense of the mixed numbers and the mixed feelings, only to find arithmetic is a bit more complicated than we thought. Tasha, I talked to God. He says to count all of your 10 fingers, and when you run out to count, on me. I've got 10 extra fingers waiting for you like I always have, but you do the math.